درس جديد. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome to this new lesson. We are going to look at lesson number 21 in book 1, Madinah. الدرس الحادي العاشر العشرون, sorry. This is lesson number 21. So madrasati, my school, we are going to look at this passage and explain from all the concepts from where we started. So we are going to have a recap of the whole book, in most cases, almost the whole or every concept that we learned previously. Madrasati, we have got a ya attached to an ism, which is feminine. This is ta marbut, but when you are joining a ya, a pronoun to it, it becomes an open ta. Say madrasati, this is ya mtakalim. So this is, if you want to say my school, we add the ya and put an open ta here. So my school, هذه مدرستي. هذه, this is مبتدا. You still remember اسم إشارة. They can also, if they start a sentence, we know that sentence is جملة اسمية. And we also know that when they start, they are always مبتدا. And here madrasati becomes the habar. Remember, jumla ismiya is made up of a mubtada and a habar. So here we've got a mubtada, hadihi, madrasati. And if we are asked to explain the habar here, we see madrasati is mudaf and here mudaf ilay. But it's all this compound is habar. Here kariba min masjidi. Here it's also a mubtada, kariba. Karibatun, this is karibatun, is habarun, and min harf jar. The ism comes after harf jar, we call it majrurun, so we can say harf jar or majrurun. We put a kasra here, say min al masjid. So you've got a kasra here. Here madrasatun kabiratun. Why kabiratun? Because madrasatun is muannath, ta marbut. So this is a nat of this manut. So you've got mubtada and khabarun nat. Laha ثلاثة أبواب. You still remember? ثلاثة أبواب. Why ثلاثة أبواب? You put a kasra here because maudud always majrurun. So ثلاثة, this is feminine number. It means maudud is masculine. They always work in opposite. أبوابها مفتوحة الآن. أبوابها, so the doors. So it says in, let's put it in English. This is my school. It's far from masjid. This school is big. It has 3 doors. Each doors is open now. And now. في المدرسة فصول كثيرة. Fi, if a sentence begins with a fi, we say it is, this is habarun, shub jumla habarun, muqaddar. Why? Because in a normal sentence, in a normal scenario, we always start with mubtada. So the mubtada in this case is delayed. We say it's mubtada muakhir. So we say this is shub jumla habarun, muqaddar. And fusulun kathiran. This is fusulun is this is mubtada muakhir wa huwa amanut kathirun nat. هذا فصولنا وهو فصول وهو فصل واسع. In this school, many classes. Our class, this is our class. This class is spacious, wasihun, is spacious. فيه نفيذتان كبيرتان. Remember when you talk of jewel, nafidha, there is ta marbut. Because we are adding alif mutan, it becomes open ta here. But the original word in mufrad is nafidhatun. Nafidhatun are windows. So nafidhatan kabiratan. This is a nat. And this is the mutana, nafidha, nafidhatan. So in it are two windows, two big windows, kabiratan, following the concept of nat manut, which says in number the same, in gender the same. So we've got the gender here is mu'annath, and the number is mutan, which is second jewel. وفي مكتبة مكاتب وكراسي. In it there are libraries, there are tables and chairs. Makatib or maktab, a desk. So you can say desk, you say makatib. A makatib or karasi. These are chairs from kurusi, karasi. So these are chairs. We'll learn about this called why makatib, not makatibun, in the next lesson. So these are desks and these are chairs. وفي سبورة كبيرة وفي سبورة كبيرة. In it, there's a big board. Subura is a big chalkboard. You say subura. And here we say هذا مكتب مدرس وذلك كرسيه. So this is the teacher's desk and that's his chair. Remember, this is mudaf or mudafilai, so it's maktabu limudarisi, because this is mudaf limudafilai. Wadaka, you can say wadhalika or wadaka. Kurusihi, so this is his chair, so it's attached to this damirin huwa, referring to the chair, to his chair, and that is his chair. Watilka makatib tulabi. Makatib tulabin is mudaf wa mudaf ilay. Wa kurusihum maktub. Okay, it ends here. So those are the students' desks and their chairs. مكتب مدارس كبير ومكاتب طلاب صغيرة. Why are we saying مكتب مدارس كبير and مكاتب طلاب صغيرة? Why? Because this is masculine. مكتب مدارس is masculine. That's why we've got كبير. But here makatib, there are now many desks. Remember, we said kuli jamu mu'annath. So when highly active things without sense, when there are many, the nat becomes mu'annath. That's why we're saying makatib tulabin sahira. We put a ta marbut because this has become feminine. في فصلنا عشرة طلاب. In our class, we are 10 students. The number is come here. عشرة طلاب. Why asharatu tulabin? Because the mawdud tulabun is masculine and asharatu, they always work in opposite. And the mawdud is always in plural form. Tulabin is jamu or is plural for talibun. Asharatu, this is the number 10. So in our class, we are 10 students. وهم من بلاد مختلفة. And they are from different countries. Biladin, this is biladin, this is jamu or plural for baladun. We say biladun. Muhtalifa. Why muhtalifa? Ta marbut, because biladun, highly akl. This is jamu. It becomes mu'annath when it's highly akl. So we put a ta marbuta on the nat. That's why we say muhtalifatin. This is nat manut. هذا محمد وهو من اليابان. This is Muhammadun he is from Japan, اليابان. وهذا خالد وهو من الصين. This is Hamid, he is from China. وهو أحمد وهو من Hind. This is Ahmad, he is from India. وهذا إبراهيم وهو من Ghana. This is Ibrahim, he is from Ghana. وهذا إسماعيل وهو من Nigeria. So this is Ismail, he is from Nigeria. وهذا يوسف وهو من إنجلترا. This is Yusuf, he is from England. وهذا Bayram وهو من تركيا. This is Bayram, he is from Turkey. Okay, let's continue. وهذا أمار وهو من Malaysia. This is Amr, he is from Malaysia. وهذا علي وهو من أمريكا. This is Ali, he is from America. وهذا أبو بكر وهو من Yunan وهو من Yunan. This is Greece. So you say this is Abu Bakr, he is from Greece. هم من بلاد مختلفة. They are from different countries. ولغاتهم مختلفة. Their languages are different. وأولناه ألوانهم مختلفة. Their colors, ألوان. So from lawn is color, ألوان is colors. ولكن دينهم واحد. But their deen is one. Their religion is one. وربهم واحد. ربهم واحد. Their Lord is one. وربهم واحد. ونبيهم واحد. Their prophet is one. وقبلتهم واحدة. وقبلتهم واحدة. and their Qibla is one. Hum Muslimuna, they are Muslims. Wal Muslimuna ihwatin, Muslims and Muslims brothers. They're Muslim brothers. Okay. هذا مدرسنا اسمه الشيخ بلال. Sheikh Bilal, this is our teacher. His name is Sheikh Bilal. Bilal. وهو من Madinah. He is from Madinah. وهو رجل صالح. He is a very honest man. He's an honest man. نحن نحبه كثيرا. So we love him so much. So this is, I think we learn a lot about what we're just doing a recap of all what we learned in book 1. It's almost consolidated passage. So I urge you to go through it and try to pick up some of things probably we missed. But this is the right. Tamarin, let's look at some of the exercises that we can pick up. Ajib an as'ila al-atiya. These are some questions. So we are going to answer the following questions from the passage. So the more you understand the passage, the more it's easier to answer the question. So we are going to see some of the questions. We're not going to answer all of them, but I'm just going to pick some of the questions that I feel you can also take note. أين هذه المدرسة? So where is the school? I'm not going to answer the question, but I'm just going to make you understand the question. So if you don't know where the school is, you just go in the passage and where is the school? Where is this school? Kam baban lahu. How many doors it has? It's in the passage, how many doors it has? Baban, from the word babun, and the plural is abwabun. So how many doors does it have? Amukhtalifa abwabuha al-ana am maftuha. So amughlaqat abwabuha al-ana am maftuha. So is the door, or are the door open or closed? So muhlaka is the opposite of maftuha. Maftuha, open. Muhlaka, this is closed. So muhlakatun, maftuhatun, the opposite. Open, closed. Kam nafidatan fi hadha al-fasl? How many windows? Nafidatan. How many windows? Nafidatan. We learned about this in the passage. It's very clear. Kam taliban fi hadha al-fasl? How many students in this class? Akuluhum min bilad wahid. Are they all from one country? Min aina Abu Bakr? Min aina? Where does Abu Bakr come from? From where Abu Bakr come from? Min aina Ahmad? Where from Ahmad? Min aina Yusuf? From where Yusuf? Min aina Muhammad? From where is Muhammad? Man min mudarisihum? How many? Who is man? This is man. Man mudarisuhum. Who is their teacher? Mudarisuhum. So man, this is not min, it's man, is who. Min aina huwa. Min aina huwa. Where is he from? He's following up of this question. So this is very easy, and you should be able to answer all the questions without any problem. And I hope you're going to get this correct, all the answers correct. Let's also look at the second question. The second question says, ضع هذه العلامات this أمام الجملة صحيح وعلامة this أمام الجملة التي ليست صحيح. So what does this mean? Is ضع means put. This is a command to say put. ضع. If I want to say put, you say ضع. So it's put this sign, the following sign, this sign. Alamat is a sign. Alamat is a sign. Alamat is a sign. So this is a sign. A tick is a sign. And this X is a sign. So you put this tick in front of a jumla sahih. So a jumla amam in front, a jumla of sentences sahih, which are true. And alama, the sign, this sign, X sign, amam jumla, amam jumalin, which is plural to jumla. Jumlatun is one sentence, and jumalin is the plural to jumla. So take note of this. Two sentences, alati laysat sahih. So sentences that are not laysat, that are not true. So it's very simple and it's very easy. I know you're able to answer this. Madrasati kabiratin. Sorry, madrasati karibatin. I mean, min matar. This is an airport. No. So is this correct that our school is near from the airport? If it is correct, then we put a tick. But in my understanding, this is wrong, so we put an X. Then لها ثلاثة أبواب. The school has 3 doors. Is it correct? If it's correct, you put a tick. If it's wrong, you put an X. I'm not going to give you this answer, but I'm going to write أبواب مغلقة الآن. Are the doors open now? Is it correct? If you're not sure, you can check in the passage. مكاتب الطلاب كبير. مكاتب طلاب كبير. Is it true that the desks of the students are big? I don't think so. Oh, if you think so, you put a tick. If you don't think so, you put an X. مكتب مدارس كبير. Is it correct? You know, the answer is very simple. So these are the questions. They're very easy, and we are going to go through all of them. Let me just get through to this one. في فصلنا 10 طلاب. In our class, there are 10 students. Is it correct? Then you put the right side. Umar min Yaban, min Yunan. Is he from Greece? Umar is from Greece. You have to check in the passage. Is he from Greece? If it's correct, then you put a tick. If it's wrong, you put X. Byron, I mean Turkey. Is it from Turkey? You have to check. Yusuf mean Malaysia. Is Yusuf from Malaysia? If yes, then put an X, put a tick. If not, put an X. Mudarisuna min Madinah. Min Madinah. So is he from Madinah? The teacher is our teacher from Madinah. If yes, then you put in tick. If no, put an X. So I hope all the answers that you're going to give are correct. And that's why I'm not giving the correct answers, because I know you understood the passage very well. And this must not be any problem to leave you without the correct answers, because you do have them. So let's look at the last, let's look at this last exercise. اذكر البلاد اذكر بلاد الوراد في الدرس من آسيا وأفريقيا وأوروبا. So we're saying اذكر is specify. This is a command to specify. اذكر. If I want you to specify اذكر بلاد اذكر بلاد. So specify the countries in their order. So if I say specify the countries. So we learned about various countries in the passage. So they're given here. Al-Warat, Al-Wari. These are given in the lesson. That is. So is it from Asia? This is Asia. Asia is Asia. Africa, this is Africa. Uruba. So this is Europe. So Al-Bilad Alati fi Asia. So في Asia, countries which are from Asia. Al-Bilad Alati fi Africa. Al-Bilad Alati fi Uruba. So you've got three choices: Asia, Africa, and Europe. So the countries must fall in these categories. So this is just a test that you know the location of your countries. So you must know the continents and you must know the countries. So if I asked you, where is Ghana from? Is it from Asia, Africa, or Uruba? I think Ghana is in Africa. So I write Africa here. I write Ghana in this column. If I think Turkey is in Asia, is it in Asia or Europe? I know you know more about these continents and you should put the correct one. And in all the countries in the passage, you should do the same. Right, let's look at Kalimat Jadid as we complete this lesson. Al-Maktab. Al-Maktab. Al-Maktab is the desk. So Makatib is the Jamu. Alaun, this is color. Alwan, colors. Lakin, this is but. You can say but. Say lakin. Al-Kurusiyu is the chair. Karasiyu is chairs. Al-Qibla, the Kaaba. Daka is the same as Dalika. So this is the end of lesson 21. So we will be looking at lesson 22 in the next class, inshallah. Jazakallahu khairan wa barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.